Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another exciting edition of State of the Track. This time at Canal Street on the Broadway local line. We are at the downtown platform. Let's look at it. Attention required. Now let's go to the uptown platform. Let's wait for the R train to depart.
Uptown is it? Uptown. I say uptown.
Okay, we are at the uptown platform on the R train. We're ready for the R train to depart. This clip was divided in 4. But we could see that it needs some attention. Now we are going to the Broadway Express side. We're waiting for the R train to depart. Let's wait until the R train departs. We're doing it very briefly. And here are the conditions. But definitely it needs some attention. Now to the express side, in other words, the N and Q trains. Oh, and this side is very easy. And we're gonna start on the uptown side, and then the downtown side, the Lexington Avenue local line, and then finally the Canal Street line. Okay, here we are, the uptown Broadway Express line. I can see the few trains departing. That was very gross. That's the uptown. Now let's see the downtown. On this clip number 64 of State of the Track. Worse than the downtown side. We'll see you guys the Lexington Avenue local line. After doing the Broadway line, we are at the Lexington Avenue local line. This is the downtown track. Gross. Let's look at uptown side. Now we're gonna do the uptown side. Then this station is worse than Fulton Center to navigate. This is the uptown sign. Very gross. Now, let's go to the Canal Street line. Ew. Oh, we're running too great. All right. Wall Street bound. It could be better for us to browse. Finally, the Jamaica Center Brown track. And this will conclude our stay of the track at Canal Street. See you next time, folks.